Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on music subscriptions with Spotify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To save on music subscriptions with Spotify, start by understanding the different subscription plans available. Spotify offers a free plan that lets you listen to music with ads. Consider using this option if you enjoy discovering new music and don't mind interruptions. If you prefer an ad-free experience, look into the Spotify Premium plan. Spotify often has promotional offers for new users, so check their website for these deals. You might find discounts for students, which can save you a significant amount. If you have friends or family, consider sharing a Spotify Premium family plan. This plan allows multiple users to share one subscription at a lower cost than individual plans. Another way to save is to take advantage of Spotify's annual discount offered during special promotions. Keep an eye out for holiday sales or exclusive deals through email newsletters or social media. If you're already a premium user, check if you can extend your subscription through Spotify's referral program. Spreading the word about Spotify can earn you free months of service. Regularly review your listening habits to ensure you're using the plan that best suits your needs. Sometimes, adjusting your subscription to the plan that matches your usage can provide considerable savings. Utilize Spotify's curated playlists to explore new music without the need for multiple subscriptions. Finally, remember that some third-party services may offer Spotify gift cards at discounted rates. By employing these strategies, you can not only enjoy your favorite music but also save money in the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.